Hello everybody, this is me and my unboxing with Fanny today. Today I'm going to have an unboxing of the Alcatel Idol 4. This comes with the virtual reality VR headset included. It's a pretty amazing phone actually. I purchased it for £249.99 from the Carphone Warehouse. And it's pretty amazing because apparently it comes with a VR headset and it comes with a headset as well. So you can listen to your music as well. So let's just see how it is. So at the front of the box, it just says that it's part of, it has a Waves Max audio included. It has a Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, and it's also part of the 14 awards and recognition at MWC 2016. So it actually came out 2 years ago, 2 years ago, and it got an award for its amazing performance. So let's just see for the price as well. Let's just see if it actually does play up my expectations and if it actually is worth the price. So especially, it's quite risky in an Alcatel device. Alcatel devices are either very good or very bad, or in the middle. But this one, for the price, I don't think people are going to buy that much because it's not a well-recognized brand. They probably spend a bit more money on iPhones. Because if you're buying it for $249, you can get like a better device, like an Apple iPhone or an LG device or a Samsung. But Alcatel, I'm not sure people will go with that. But let's just see anyway if I would go with it, if I had the money to, if I actually would keep it. So this is the Alcatel Idol 4. It says, boom your reality, everything you need to dive into the world of virtual reality right out of the box. So apparently it has a VR headset in there, so I could actually experience VR outside the box, which is pretty amazing actually. I never actually tried to experience VR from an Alcatel phone, so it's my first time. Which will be fun. So it says premium design, so it has glass, it's metal, it's slim, it has VR goggles and contents included, it has a reversible audio screen, powerful dual speakers, interactive pictures, all-in-one music ecosystem app. It has a 5.2-inch full HD display, a rear camera, a 13 megapixel rear camera, dual tone LED flash, ultra fast autofocus, 8 megapixel front facing camera, Qualcomm Snapdragon processor 617, a quad-core 1.5 GHz processor plus 4 times 1.2 GHz processor, 4G LTE, 16 GB ROM, and an amazing 3 GB RAM for an Alcatel device. Really, 3 GB RAM. Okay, I'm so excited. It's probably the most exciting unboxing this week. Boom your sensations, press the boom key, and instantly blast the smartphone's experience to the next level. Well, that is going to be very exciting to experience. See, one button can blast the whole phone to the next level. Let's see. So I'm just going to open the box now. There we go. That's that pretty much done. That green thing there, by the way, is coriander. I'm using my kitchen knife. Opening out the box. Let's see what's inside the box. Okay, so we get our quick start guide. Getting started, using the phone, using the VR headset and stuff. VR headset, maybe need some advice on that, but probably all cool with that as well. So quick start guide and all of that. Service stuff here. So services, warranty, blah blah blah. Okay. Open up the box. Okay, oh my god, I was about to say this is the phone. So this is not actually the phone, this is the VR headset, as it seems. Okay, wow. Okay, so this is the VR headset, as you can see. Okay, and there's nothing actually inside the box. So it kind of looks like the box is this. So this is the actual box. Okay, so Alcatel Idol 4. Technical specifications. Again, some specifications there, which I just read out to you. So exact same thing. This is the actual headset. So I'm actually looking at the VR headset right now. Oh, is this a fake one? Or is this like a cool little box? So I'm going to press this button and I guess this opens in a way so you can... Quite a cool presentation, guys. I'm not going to lie. Very, very cool presentation. What is this? I don't know what these things are. Let's going to see that. Oh, okay. Throw that out of the box. Oh, this is like a little band. So like, if you're doing it around your head, I'll show you how to do that. Again, nice Alcatel branded things. Very, very nice. This is like all the stuff and the charger and stuff. Can't explain in a minute. But looking at this part here, it comes with a little own case as well. So very, very nice clear plastic case included. Again, obviously what's expected for the price that I'm paying. I do expect having a case and a screen protector involved. So Alcatel branded as well, as you can see. Very nice. And then this sort of plastic, I don't know what you do with this. I think you just throw this away or you just cover it up in a minute. Okay, so this is the actual charger and stuff. Yeah, nothing else inside. Put that there. So this is the adapter that you get. So the Alcatel USB adapter. Again, open and close mechanism. There we go. A bit hard, but pretty nice. And obviously would ease with time. So yeah, Alcatel. Thank you guys for sending that out. We have hopefully, okay, not a quick charging port, but it's a micro HDMI cable. So this is obviously standard, and I have 1,000 of these running around my house, so we really need to be using that. The VR headset, coming back to that in a minute. Oh, and the Alcatel Idol 4 already sitting in its sort of VR position, which is pretty nice to have. So this is the Alcatel Idol 4 in its VR position. That's quite amusing as well at the same time. But let's just take the phone out of its misery in a way. And these are the headphones, and obviously the ejecting tool there. So let's see the headphones. Oh, these JBL as well, like that. Let me guess. Yeah, it is. Oh my god. I think JBL and Alcatel actually, like, you know, came together and signed a deal, because the Alcatel Idol 3 had this as well. So if you check my previous unboxing, the link below, you'll see that the JBL headphones were included as well. So again, very nice. At least it's not those tacky headphones which you usually get with Alcatel devices. So guys, thank you very much for sending these out as well. Good that you've upgraded your phones in a way. Similar sort of style to the Alcatel Idol 3. So hopefully this is a better upgrade, because I wasn't too happy with the camera, the front-facing camera on the Idol 3. So hopefully this camera is better. So let's just pray for that. So I'm just going to peel off the front of the thing now. Okay, and we're greeted with this sort of glass display here. And this is I'm just going to show you around the phone first. So we have, I'm going to show you around the phone first. Let's just get that in focus. There we go. So it's focusing right on that boom button that I was telling about. So press this and apparently intensifies the whole phone to the next level. We'll be experiencing that in a minute. Very exciting. Speaker port, microphone port. We have our micro USB cable, HDMI cable there. 3.5mm head jack there. And our power on button here. We have our actual speakers, which I found right here and here. So that's very nice actually for a phone to actually put it. But this way, what is it coming? Why is it coming to Android recovery? Reboot system now. Okay. So very nice. So when you're putting your phone down here, for example, you can actually hear the music coming out from here and from here. So pretty nice. It actually feels quite sharp on the edges, which is not really good, because I think that it should have been chamfered a bit more here and here. But let's just see how the phone actually performs. Coming on now. First impressions looks pretty nice. I'm just going to show you this at the meantime. So this is the VR headset that comes with it, an Alcatel branded VR headset. Not really going to trust this in a way, but hopefully my review you can see. I'll show you a bit how it functions. Okay, what's happening? Oh, okay. So let's just see what's happening to this. Okay, I think it needs charge or something, because it's not. It just turned right off, I think. But if that's the case, then I will be making a video on this. But again, guys, it's pretty of an amazing phone. It has a 5.2-inch HD display, full HD display, 30 megapixel rear-facing camera, 8 megapixel front-facing camera. 3.6, you know, the music is pretty amazing. It's pretty loud, apparently. 3 GB RAM, pretty heavy for an Alcatel phone. And a Android 6.0 Marshmallow, which is, again, hopefully there's an update for it to update it, which hopefully there will be. Yeah, so it's 0% as you can see on the... So, guys, I have to charge this phone up, and I will basically show you everything in the review. So, again, guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of the Alcatel Idol 4. If you did, then please leave your comments down below. And if you want me to show you anything particular on the VR headset, for example, on the device, then just let me know in the comments below. So yeah, guys, thank you very much. I'm just going to take these things out here and here as well, so I can just show you. I can just review this as well. But yeah, have a nice day guys, and subscribe. Bye!